Day 3 of trying to birdie the first hole. I just locked the golf shop up. It's been raining for like 54 straight hours. See if we can birdie the first. 5 iron, I'm clubbed up. Alright, we hit the green.
We're dancing.
We got a big one here, Tommy.
Let's do it.
We gotta roll this in. I think I pumped it. Never broke.
Ooh.
I mean, what the heck is going on with me in this first hole? Bogey would be terrible.
There you go.
It's not a birdie, but we made par. That's day 3. Like, comment, subscribe. It can only get better.